Restoring a car environmentally involves reusing as many parts as possible instead of replacing them with new, especially when doing a thorough restoration. Yes, you can buy new replacement hardware such as this one, which is for the complete front end bumper, fender skirts, all the front end components. It's 100-piece hardware that I reused from the original for the cost of this can of paint at $7 instead of spending well in excess of $100 for new. By doing so, you reduce the environmental impact as well as you reuse what parts were originally installed on the car. These are painted simply using that semi-gloss black paint, double coverage Rust-Oleum, and they do a very nice job. And when you install them, when you tighten them down, rarely, if at all, any of the paint comes off. So they are excellent products. These paints are for doing this kind of a job. So what I did, I dipped all of this in vinegar overnight, then cleaned with brake parts cleaner, dries thoroughly and clean, and then simply sprayed it with that paint. The whole process didn't even take 35 minutes, and you have very nice hardware set for the front end of the car.